You say, what's the difference between these two Mag-Lites? Beautiful flashlights, best probably ever made. Well, let me show you the difference. Well, this is the difference. This one on the right is LED. The one on the left is the original bulb. Well, let's change that. Let's make them both beautifully and bright. In this case, these are both 3 cells. And this one is already done, is LED. The other one needs to become LED. What do we need to do here? One of these bulbs, I'll leave a link there, not affiliated again. They're just a couple of bucks. This tiny thing right here is an LED bulb made for Mag-Lites. It fits perfect, and you'll see the difference on this one as well. Let's get into it. Put this on the side so it doesn't fall on our legs. Let's take apart this one. Boom. That's how easy it is. Inside, when you take the head off, this part here comes out with the bulb. The metallic part, that's what you twist. You take it out slowly, just like that. In this case here, you take the bulb, not this way, but the other way. It comes out. You put the old bulb here. You take the new bulb that you can get online for a couple bucks. Put it back in the slot there. Put this here inside and start twisting until it's on its place. It takes a few twists and now it feels like it's on its place. Oh, already working. Now, first thing we do, I prefer to put the funnel or reflector, whatever you want to call it, inside as such. You put it down and start twisting it. Boom. Make sure it goes up to the gasket. They have a little gasket all around because they're watertight. And here we go. Now, let's compare it with the other one. As you see, now they're both equally bright and beautiful. There's no difference. Both flashlights are amazingly upgraded. For what? For a couple of dollars. After this one, enjoy a short video that I put together for these flashlights because I really like them. They're the best flashlights ever made on Earth, in my opinion. See you next time. Enjoy the clip after this video. If you want to subscribe, subscribe. If you don't want to, thank you for watching.